we are going to study irrational number. So what is irrational number? A number which cannot be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are integer and q is not equal to 0 is called irrational number. It is denoted by capital Q bar or Q complement. So irrational numbers family member are pi, root 2, root 3 up to so on to infinity. Decimal representation of an irrational number is non-terminating and non-repeating. So what are the properties of irrational numbers? First, irrational number plus rational number equal to irrational number. Example, root 2 plus 2 equal to 2 root 2 is an irrational number. Second, irrational minus rational equal to irrational. So example, root 2 minus 2 equal to root 2 minus 2, it is irrational. Third, irrational multiplied by rational equal to irrational. Example, root 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 2 root 2 is an irrational. Fourth, irrational divided by rational equal to irrational. Root 2 divided by 2 equal to root 2 by 2 is irrational. Next, irrational plus irrational equal to rational or irrational. So, root 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number, plus root 2 minus root 3 is irrational. So, its addition is 2, it is rational. Second example, root 2 plus root 2 equal to 2 root 2. So, irrational plus irrational equal to irrational. Sixth, irrational minus irrational equal to rational or irrational. So, 2 plus root 3 minus root 3 equal to 2 is irrational. Second example, root 2 root 3 minus root 3 equal to root 3 is irrational. Seventh, irrational multiplied by irrational equal to rational or irrational. So root 2 multiplied by root 2 equal to 2 is rational, and root 2 multiplied by root 3 equal to root 6 is irrational. Eighth, irrational divided by irrational equal to irrational or irrational. So root 5 divided by root 5 equal to 1 is rational, and root 2 divided by root 3 equal to root 2 by root 3 is an irrational. So we can say that irrational number plus minus multiplied by or divided by rational number is always irrational number. But irrational number plus minus multiply divide by irrational number is either rational or irrational.